of the 1930s have become such a prominent part of our displays here in recent times. Here we have two of them, running in from the left, the de Havilland DH88 Comet and the Miles Hawkspeed 6. Landing underneath the first pass of the comet, it comes in towards the got a tiny frontal area. And a very, very thin wing as well, and there's no conventional. Airframe example, much modified also. It was built in the hope of interesting the Air Ministry in the Martlet as a single-seat fighter trainer. Straight and level in close formations and using the rear gun, to employing it more like a conventional fighter, using the forward gun offensively, the rear gun defensively. And that worked very well. And it meant that the Bristol fighter would switch very rapidly from offence to defence. And yes, it all centres around a man called Sydney Cotton. Strange. But here comes Scott for the first attempt, and it was close. Definitely the closest we've had so far this year. James Hetner now. Young Hotshot, I should call. Hetner again off to one side. Engine, the Bristol Mercury 9-cylinder radial. All 10 of the surviving gladiators were destroyed and 8 of the pilots were killed. There was one theatre of operations for the Gladiator that I find particularly